About to get us some trophies.
Yeah. Had to get us some trophies in the beaters.
Oh yeah, she's ready.
You gonna have to push me off.
I got you.
Oh shit. Homeboy's on fire. Actually, what you're working at? It's flaming, son. That's so fire.
I guess. Yeah, fuck it.
We'll figure it out too. If you don't have a little bit of juice in that battery, it won't push it off.
Look, hey.
It's running?
Yeah, look. Yeah, it's running.
It's running?
Yeah, let's do it.
It's running.
Y'all ready?
Hey, at least
make
one
sure
of us needs to finish.
I'm gonna win. Take it out of gear, Mason.
It is. Over the years, I've been accumulating these junk cars and I really didn't know what for, but now I know I was saving them for the first annual Shit Box Nationals. Check this out. This was honestly one of the most fun things I've ever done in my life. I'm very excited for number 2 here coming up soon. Well, the Geo died. The Geo went down for the count. See if we can catch a ride here. Holy shit, look at that. Getting with it, huh? This thing's done, ain't it?
Yeah. Put your seatbelt on. Strap that off.
Yeah, I don't know where the seatbelt is. Holy. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
I think she's done.
Yeah.
Come on, turn.
Fucking trees. She on fire yet?
I don't know.
I think it's on fire.
Hey, at least we made it back to your car.
Hell yeah. I think she's done, bud. I think we blowed her up. That was fun.
Oh, just a minute.
Man, I just wish we could make these shit boxes last just for a few more seconds.
She might be just hot.
Think we'll let her cool down, bust her off again, see what happens. I don't know if anybody actually made it back. Mine completely, it lost every gear. Yeah, clutch went completely. I was giving her hell for a minute though.
What a shit box.
That was a good car until you hit it.
Not no more, it ain't.
It was fine until you just slammed into it.
What happened to you on that? What started that first fire?
One of us backfire, well, I mean, exhaust or whatever, just like this.
Won't move still? What?
It's on the floor.
Yep.